Gặp Tây mà không biết hỏi và chỉ đường, học ngay 10 câu tiếng Anh đơn giản dưới đây, bạn sẽ tự tin hỏi và chỉ đường như người bản xứ, dễ nhớ với phiên âm và ví dụ thực tế. Cùng học nào!
How can I get to the train station? How can I get to the train station? Go straight ahead, then turn left. Go straight ahead, then turn left. Can you tell me the way to the supermarket? Can you tell me the way to the supermarket? Go straight, turn right at the intersection. Go straight, turn right at the intersection. Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? You'll see it on your right. You'll see it on your right. Which bus should I take to get to the mall? Which bus should I take to get to the mall? Take bus number 15. Take bus number 15. Is there a subway station near here? Is there a subway station near here? Yes, the subway station is just 2 blocks away. Yes, the subway station is just 2 blocks away. Can I walk there or should I take a taxi? Can I walk there or should I take a taxi? It's a bit far. I recommend taking a taxi. It's a bit far. I recommend taking a taxi. I'm lost. Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me? Don't worry, just turn back and turn right. Don't worry, just turn back and turn right. I'm looking for this address. I'm looking for this address. Let me check the map for you. Let me check the map for you. Am I going the right way? Am I going the right way? I think you're going the wrong way. I think you're going the wrong way. Turn left. Turn left. Turn right. Turn right. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. Cross the street. Cross the street. Behind. Behind. Next to. Next to. Opposite. Opposite. On the corner. On the corner.